Welcome back. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like, comment, share. And yeah, I hope you like the content and come back for more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be cooking, but we have a special request to switch up the menu. So we have switched it up to be quesadillas. We about to jump right into that video. Excuse me, can you move? Dang, I'm gonna make the people motion sickness from all this jumping around and moving and shit.
I want my money.
Anyways, so we're gonna be cooking. I don't know about all of you, but it is so hard cooking with my children surrounding me in my kitchen. Oh, this Nia. Gotta love her. Chicken quesadillas. Oh, yeah. She don't want chicken quesadilla. She wants pepperoni and mozzarella cheese. So she's basically going to have a pizzadilla. A pizzadilla.
No, quesadilla.
I might just put that on the thumbnail. Pizzadillas. Pizzadillas. I hope you all can appreciate this video. It took me forever to edit this video and put it out, and I didn't have no ending to this video. It just kind of ended. Boo! Boo, 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 boo. I try to have fun with the kids while I'm cooking. It keeps me from stressing out. But ultimately, I really don't like them in the kitchen with me, but our place is so small, so there's not really many places for them to go. And they like being up under mommy. So what are you going to do? So, I'm going to show y'all how we do this right here. What we going to do, I already cleaned the chicken. See, I already did that. I know y'all probably like, she didn't clean her chicken, but guess what? I did that, okay? Chicken is clean. We don't play that over here. Salmonella, we don't play that. Got my favorite pan. Y'all know I love so much. Yes. So I got that chicken seasoned on up. Cause I'm gonna mix it all up. Comment down below what you use to season your chicken breast with. I use different things depending on what I'm cooking at the time. I generally like to use sazon when I'm cooking. I also like to use complete. And yeah, I love a nice fresh bell pepper in my meat. It just gives it so much life. And yes, like I like onions and vegetables. Got to get the vegetables into those kitties somehow. And this is a great way to do that. My kids didn't like it at first, but now they love it. If you like this video and you want to see more like it and you want to stay with me and watch me grow on the journey of YouTube, then make sure you hit that like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And yeah, go check out some of my other videos and see what else I got in store for you all. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.